everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks. Wyatt's the white puppy dog. Harvey's the kitty. They're both out here right now. Zena's the tan puppy dog. I'm Laura if you're new, and we sure hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. I am kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, and you get a little bit of life in there. It is Sunday morning. It is a gorgeous day out. It's cooler than it has been, so this weekend was a bit cooler with the drop in temperatures. So it is only 50, let's see, I'm out here with the bugs, 54. It's going to be a high of 66 today. And I think the rest of the week, though, is going to be a bit warmer. So there's like high 70s and 80s for the rest of the week, of course, while I'm traveling. And let's see. For my outfit today, I chose casual. I am not ready to give up shorts yet. It's probably going to be October until I really say goodbye to shorts. So I have on a Agolde shorts from, let's see, they're from a Trendsend. I have on a loft white tank, just a basic white tank. And then I have this awesome Z Supply topper that I think you'll remember. I love this one. It came in a Wantable, and it's so cozy and comfy. For jewelry, I pulled out my Cabi necklace that I got, I think, and Lisa can correct me if I am wrong, I think it came in the spring collection this year, but I might be wrong. And it's fabulous because now that my closet is completely cleaned out, I am finding all kinds of stuff. So paired that, my earrings are normal and the rest is pretty much normal. I didn't put on a bracelet stack this time, so everything else is just normal. And for shoes, it's my flip-flops. I'm gonna be running around today, so I went comfy. I hope your week starts out amazing, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday already, and time for outfit of the day. My JB Stylebox posted today, and it was such a fabulous collection. I ended up keeping it all, I think, first time ever. I just loved every piece, and my stylist Carol did an amazing job. So thank you, Carol. And for outfit of the day today, this sunny day, it started out in the 40s. It's up to 61 now at just before noon. It's going to get to 73, but the sun feels amazing. I did put on a JB Stylebox outfit. So this is a Z Supply outfit. Everything is Z Supply, from the tank. This is just an easy tank, to the jacket, to the shorts. And then my shoes are from Camuto, and they are Stitch Fix. I put on my name necklace and my bracelet stack, and I'm ready to hit the day. So I have not started packing yet, and it's been a busy day already. So it's going to be a busy day, and I got to get up super early in the morning to try to hit the road. And I will see you in the morning then. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, and it is early in the morning, black outside, 4:45. I got to get going. And for outfit of the day today, I chose a LNA outfit. So LNA tank and LNA skirt, both from a Trendsend. Topped it off with this White House Black Market jacket and some fun shoes by, of course, Dolce Vita. Got these in a Stitch Fix. And I have my typical jewelry on. I have on my Cabi necklace. You guys saw, I think, earlier this week or last week. Normal earrings I've been wearing, and my bracelet stack. And I'm set to go. Okay, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It has been much warmer this week than the weekend, that's for sure. 53 degrees right now, but it's getting up to 82. It's been sunny, really nice. And for my outfit, I chose an easy one and done. This is a dress from Ever Eve. Paired it back to this awesome jacket from Rag & Bone. I'm so in love with this. This is the one with the painted on pockets. Those are not real. I love it. For shoes, my Not Your Daughter's jeans, because they go with so much. And my jewelry is the same except for my necklaces. I have Luisa necklaces on today. And I think that's my outfit. All right, I gotta get off to work. Hope it's going amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is going to be another warm one, 55 right now at like just before 6:30 in the morning, high of 82. And this week has just gone by in a blur. It's been super, super busy. For my outfit today, I have on Sanctuary pants from a Stitch Fix, paired it with a Z Supply tank. It was a little shorter than I thought, so I'm going to need to wear my jacket open. It's like, you know, it's hitting right at the waistband where I feel like my stomach could show occasionally, and since I'm going to be in the office, I don't want that to happen. So I put this Ever Eve jacket on top of it, and I'm going to keep it buttoned today. I have like the second from the bottom buttoned, but it'll stay closed. And for shoes, my feet are just shot. So I put on my Tory Burch sandals, the Miller, and my jewelry is the same. I just swapped out my necklace, and everything else is the same. Hope your week is going really, really well, and I will catch you tomorrow with Happy Dance. Hey everybody, guess what? We made it to Friday. Made it to Friday. Right? Why we made it? Why it's a happy boy. I think he almost likes Friday as much as I do, huh? We get to go outside more, huh? Because I wasn't home all week. You didn't get to go outside as much all week, huh? So we made it. It's a beautiful day. 78 right now. It's supposed to get to 81. It's about lunchtime, and it's gorgeous out. Let's see. I have to go over a few things with you. First of all, my Trendsend posted. And that was on Wednesday, right? So again, my stylist Haley, she just does such an amazing job. I love the box. I kept that light denim by 7 for All Mankind. I loved it. That was a high-rise Joe. I kept the blank NYC vest, but I did end up sizing up in that one. While I was able to button it, I felt like it was a little tight, so I went to the next size up. I kept the Citizens of Humanity Baby Shea shirt. I loved that. I did size up in the satin skirt, and it fits perfectly now. And I'm so glad I did exchange it and not just return it, because it's beautiful on. And the Michael Stars, a white tank, just a nice staple piece. The Coated Maya short, I kept those. I kept the shoes, but you guys knew I was going to. And then I kept that Z Supply jacket, the green one. So those were my keepers from my Trendsend. Love my Trendsends. My stylist is just amazing. And let's see. For today, this beautiful Friday, I chose a comfy outfit. You might recognize this sweater from a Wantable. This is from Wantable. And then my shorts are Pistola. And my shoes are Dolce Vita. And they have a little bit of a heel. And for jewelry, I have on what I've been wearing. Just my earrings and my jewelry stack, my bracelet stack. That's everything. So we got one more day. The weekend is almost here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. I am up early. It is 7 o'clock right now. I got to run to a hair appointment. Nobody's up yet, just me. And the sun's not even up yet, it looks like. It's just starting. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. So while it's only 55 right now, hence the jacket, it is supposed to get up to 83 and be quite a beautiful day. My Anthropologie haul post today, and I have to tell you, it's one of my all-time favorite hauls. Now, of course, I picked all the pieces, but in love. These are perfect pieces to take you into fall with style, and you can start wearing them now. So check out that video if you haven't already, and let me know what your favorite piece was. So for my outfit today, I chose to wear the Maya Sanctuary short from my latest Trendsend. Love them. I want to make sure I fit them in, and in case the weather takes a turn, I didn't want to miss out on being able to wear them. Paired them with the Ever Eve top. This one has the spaghetti straps. I think I got in the previous haul. And then, because it's chilly out, I did grab my Ever Eve jacket. This is the Ever jacket. And for shoes, I'm in love with my Millers right now. I don't know. My feet just get exhausted sometimes. So I love having really great flats that I can put on. So I grabbed the gold. I love these. They're like a light champagne-y color. These are Tory Burch Millers, and I highly recommend them. You can wear them for everything, and they look dressy. So if you need a flip-flop to wear into, you know, the office or somewhere a little more dressy, this is a great option to go because they look like a great sandal. For jewelry, I put on a necklace from Luisa. I haven't switched out my earrings for a bit. You're familiar with my bracelet stack. And that is my outfit. And we made it through another week. So I will list all my outfits down below, as I always do. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes and put all the links for them also. Which was your favorite this week? I can't wait to hear. Please help me out. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And I will catch you next video. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, popping back in because you probably thought I almost forgot to tell you who the Outfit of the Day 300 Loft $100 gift card winner is. I remembered, and I did the drawing. The winner is Paula Johnston 7518. Paula Johnston 7518. So hopefully you're watching. You have 5 days to notify me so I can arrange to get you your e-gift card. So send me an email at littleboxhappy@gmail.com. littleboxhappy@gmail.com. Congratulations, and thank you to everyone for the amazing comments, all the participation. I can't believe it's been now 301 Outfit of the Days. Bye, everybody.